education. We waited for our comrades to come.
We are meant to be teaching.
1976 e ne le Afrikaans ver word kamo gompieno
Remove private security off of our campuses.
democracy
Students must vote.
thuto ya mahala e se ya bokoloniale o sa patele o sa koloti ope
make higher education more affordable for all.
tshiamelo ne tshiamelo ya roganya setšhaba
Free education has to be a process and it has to be delivered by government itself. It's not something that the universities can do.
wena wa reng
Government is committed to do everything possible.
motsweding FM konka bokamoso